Hey, if you want to deactivate or delete your Facebook account, in this video you will know how you can do it. So first you have to like this video and subscribe this channel. Okay, let's get started. So first you have to tap on 3 line and then scroll down and go to setting, and now you have to tap on see mode in account center. Now friends, go to personal details, and now you have to tap on account ownership and control. Now you have to tap second option, deactivation or deletion. Now you have to tap on your Facebook profile. So friends, here are two options. First one is deactivate your account temporarily and second one is delete your account permanently. So friends, if you choose first one, your Facebook profile will be temporarily deactivate. That means your friends or anyone on the Facebook will not able to see your post or your profile also. So if you want to take some break from Facebook, you can choose first one. But if you choose second option, that is delete your account permanently, that means your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. So for now I will choose the first option and then you have to tap on continue. So friends, if you have created any pages, your pages will also delete if you choose the first option also. So friends, if you have some pages and you don't want to delete it, so don't deactivate your account now. First what you have to do, you have to change the admin of your Facebook pages and then you can deactivate your account. And friends, if you don't have Facebook pages, you can simply tap on continue and your Facebook account will be temporarily deactivated. And friends, if you want to know how to change your admin of your Facebook profile, so you can check my video in the description.